Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2006 Cimarron, all aluminum, 2-horse, with a very big dressing room up front. It does have electric to it. It does have an AC. It is all aluminum. This trailer does have a few things that I'm going to point out. Sorry, I got kind of sidetracked. All right, so stainless nose. Does have a spare. It does have a flip-up step at the dressing room door. It's got running boards down the sides, short ones. This trailer is 7'6" wide. 7'6" wide. I've got the windows down with the bars. They're big, heavy-duty windows. There's 2 manger storage boxes underneath. You'll be able to see that in my pictures, but it does have manger storage. So let me kind of go around. It does have a rear ramp. So rear ramp, collapsible rear tack, brush box, bridle hooks. It's got a saddle rack. All that is collapsible, so that does come out. Stepping up in the horse box. It does, like I said, have the mangers. You can see this side of them. Airflow divider, walk-through door. Does have big drop windows on the rear. So drop windows on the rear. So this is a 2-horse. This is 7 tall. It is 7'6" wide. Couple of things, it's got a couple curls here where, you know, right here at the edge, so just, oop, my finger's not in the picture, right here on the edge, a couple curls there. Kind of look on this side, I think there's a few. Yep, got a kind of a place here, all cosmetic, just kind of pointing those things out. Like I said, it does have electric hookup. So you do have a place to hook up 30 amp cord for the AC. It's got a big bay window in that dressing room. Again, drops on the rear. 2006 Cimarron, white in color with graphics. So I'm gonna step up in this dressing room. It's big. Camper door with screen. So as you can see, this is a huge dressing room. So big, big dressing room, carpeted deck. Again, it's got 110 outlets everywhere on the walls. Big bay window, corner cabinet with a mirror, walk-through door. They've put a floor in it. Does have a TV. Spinning back around, it does have an electric fridge with a little counter. It's big in here. I mean, let me try to explain it. You could probably put a full-size mattress on the floor. If that kind of gives you an idea. I haven't done the measurements on this, but this is probably, I'm totally guessing, but I believe this is an 8-foot short wall, 2-horse. So I'll do the measurements for it. Again, if you're looking for a weekender, here would be a great option. This is aftermarket done. This is not factory. This is a do-it-yourself. Overall, nice trailer. 2006 Cimarron 2-horse with a super big short wall. Y'all, I don't think it's an 8. It's probably a 7, 6.5, 6 to 7. I'll get that measurement for you. I'll get the whole box length measurement too. That'll be on the website, CarolinaTrailerSales.com, with all the information about the trailer. Okay guys, have a great day.